So you've taken pre-order of your Google Pixel 4 or are waiting for the device to turn up on your doorstep, which is why you might want to take a look at a super slim case from Minimal, who we've teamed up with to give you a pretty solid discount on the latest lineup for the 2019 made by Google phones. The transparent Minimal clear case was my choice for the black and white Panda Pixel 4 XL, as I wanted a closer look at that striking new design, plus because the Minimal case is just 0.35mm thick, it doesn't really add any bulk, but it still manages to protect the aluminum sides and matte back glass. This gives you that extra peace of mind, and it also has a classy look that doesn't detract from the exceptional design of your brand new smartphone, while giving you extra grip and protection against the elements. Minimal, of course, by name, minimal by nature too, as all Minimal cases are completely branding free, so you're not walking around with an unsightly logo on the back of your phone. Because the cases are so thin and lightweight, it also means that you can use your current crop of Qi wireless chargers, or indeed the Pixel stand, without worrying if your brand new Pixel 4 will be compatible or charge up to 100%. Despite adding almost no bulk, all Minimal cases are incredibly precise, with perfect cutouts for charge ports, sensors, and even a raised lip around the camera bump that ensures the protruding camera notch stays protected and free from scratches, dings and bumps. You can pick up the Minimal case for the Pixel 4 and 4 XL in 3 further colours, including frosted white, frosted black and the neat matte black option, and of course in the clear transparent option I'm rocking on my black and white Pixel 4 XL right now. All Minimal cases do ship in just 1 business day and are even backed by a 100% money back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied, which of course we're sure you will be. If you want to pick one up for yourself, you can get $10 off right now with our simple code 9to5Google for a limited time via the links in the description, and thanks to Minimal for sponsoring our Pixel 4 launch coverage.